that sound. The dreaded drip. It's not just wasting water, it's wasting your time. But what if your kitchen faucet could do more than just turn on and off? What if it could save you time, save you money, and even make you healthier? The faucets of 2026 are here, and they are smarter, tougher, and more revolutionary than you can imagine. We've installed and tested the most advanced models coming to market, and one of them has a feature so smart, it's going to change how you cook and clean forever. You won't believe what's possible. Number 1. Moen Arbor Matte Black. The Moen Arbor Matte Black MotionSense Wave Sensor Touchless One-Handle Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet is a revolutionary addition to your kitchen that combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek design. This faucet is perfect for modern kitchens, offering a seamless blend of style and functionality. The touchless feature, powered by Moen's innovative MotionSense Wave Sensor, allows for hands-free operation, making it an ideal choice for busy households. Simply wave your hand to activate the water flow, ensuring a more hygienic and convenient kitchen experience. Designed with practicality in mind, the Moen Arbor faucet features a pull-down sprayer that provides maximum reach and flexibility. The Power Clean technology delivers 50% more spray power compared to other faucets, making it easier to tackle tough cleaning tasks. Whether you're rinsing vegetables, filling pots, or cleaning the sink, the powerful spray head ensures efficient water usage and superior performance. The single-handle design allows for easy temperature and flow control, while the single-hole installation offers a clean and uncluttered look on your countertop. Number 2. Moen Align Chrome. The Moen Align Chrome one-handle modern kitchen pull-down faucet is a perfect blend of style, functionality, and innovation for your kitchen. Crafted with a stunning chrome finish, it seamlessly complements any kitchen decor, making it an ideal choice for those seeking both elegance and efficiency in their kitchen faucets. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen sink faucet or installing a new kitchen faucet with a pull-down sprayer, the Moen Align is engineered to meet your needs with precision and style. The Moen Align kitchen faucet with sprayer is equipped with the reflex docking system, ensuring smooth operation and secure docking of the spray head. This advanced feature allows for effortless maneuverability, making it easier than ever to reach every corner of your sink. Number 3. KOHLER KR22745 SD VS. Work like a pro in the kitchen. This KOHLER semi-professional kitchen sink faucet with sprayer brings elegant design and exceptional ergonomics to home chefs. Designed as a commercial-grade faucet for home use, the deck-mount kitchen faucet spray head with push button lets you choose aerated stream for everyday tasks or sweep spray for powerful cleaning. Boost function increases the flow, great for tough cleanup jobs or for quickly filling pots and pitchers. Ideal for those interested in cooking, this modern kitchen faucet includes a matching soap, lotion dispenser. Master Clean spray face of this pull-down faucet features an easy-to-clean surface that withstands mineral buildup and maximizes spray performance. Single lever handle is simple to use and makes adjusting water temperature easy on this KOHLER kitchen faucet with sprayer. Number 4. Brushed Nickel Kitchen Faucet. Every drop matters, certified safe, your kitchen water touches every meal, drink, and bottle, safety isn't optional. Dopuki Kitchen Faucet is CUPC certified and meets NSF 61, NSF 372 standards for lead-free assurance. No more worrying about invisible contamination from old brass or low-grade alloy faucets. And if anything ever goes wrong, our limited lifetime warranty and responsive support are here for you. Spot-resistant stainless steel faucet, always clean, always beautiful. No more wiping fingerprints or hard water stains every day. Our brushed nickel finish uses a spot-resistant coating that repels smudges and water spots, keeping your kitchen sink faucet looking like new even after heavy use. The solid 304 stainless steel body resists rust, corrosion, and discoloration, ideal for humid kitchens or areas with hard water. Your sink stays clean longer, saving you time and effort. High ARC pull-down faucet, reach every corner with effortless flexibility. Tired of struggling to wash big pots or rinse the other side of your sink? Retractable pull-down hose with handle docking arm creates smooth operation, easy movement and maximizes reachability in and around the sink in daily use. Hose retracts with ease. The commercial sink faucet is designed with 360 degrees swivel and dual mode spray head. You can clean the sink, fill tall pitchers, or wash vegetables without awkward angles. Number 5. Delta Almari Brushed Nickel. Bring sleek elegance and dynamic curves to your kitchen with the contemporary Almari kitchen pull-out faucet. Delta Magnetit docking uses a powerful integrated magnet to set your pull-out sprayer precisely into place and hold it there so it stays docked when not in use. Delta kitchen faucets with diamond seal technology perform like new for life with a patented design which reduces leak points, is less hassle to install and lasts twice as long as the industry standard. Kitchen sink faucets with touch-clean spray holes allow you to easily wipe away calcium and line buildup with the touch of a finger. You can install with confidence, knowing that Delta kitchen faucets are backed by our lifetime limited warranty. And that's the one that truly redefines the modern kitchen. So, are you ready to upgrade? If you're as amazed by these innovations as I am, please hit that like button. It tells YouTube you love seeing the future of home tech. Ready to transform your sink? All the links to buy these exact models are in the description below. If you know someone who's building or renovating a kitchen, share this video with them right now, they will thank you for it. And subscribe and hit the bell because we're testing smart fridges next, and you're going to want to see that. Thanks for watching.